Note: the installation mode can be adjusted according to the actual situation. Firstly, use stainless steel cable straps to pass through the whole of the flexible photovoltaic panel and fix it on the balcony. It's very simple and easy to install. Make sure it's strapped to the brace. Use stainless steel cable straps to fix the microinverter to the bracket. Use DC lines to connect the photovoltaic panels. Connect the DC line to the microinverter and hit the click. Repeat the previous steps. Connect the AC connector of the microinverter and hit the click. Install the antenna to the microinverter.